what are different skin types, what is your skin type, and how to take care of it. If you want to know answers of these questions, please watch the video till end. So basically, there are 4 skin types: oily, dry, combination and normal. इसके सिवा आप जो एक्ने प्रोन या फिर सेंसिटिव स्किन ये सुनते हो, ये स्किन टाइप नहीं बल्कि स्किन कंडीशंस है, या इसको हम स्किन की बीमारी भी कह सकते हैं। अगर आपको इस टाइप की कोई स्किन कंडीशन है तो जरूर आपको अपने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना चाहिए। तो हमारा स्किन टाइप कैसे डिटरमाइन करें? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वॉश योर फेस विद अ माइल्ड क्लेंजर और जस्ट प्लेन कोल्ड वाटर properly. After that, wait for 1 hour. In this 1 hour, do not apply anything on your skin. Do not go out in sun. Do not sit in the AC room. Just sit indoors. And after 1 hour, check your face in this way. Take a tissue paper and dab it on your face. In this way. Then hold this tissue paper against light and check where do you see different oil patches. If you see oil patches all over your face, and your skin is also oily to touch, तो आपकी त्वचा oily है या फिर आपका skin type oily है. If you see no oil patches on the tissue paper and also your skin feels very dry, flaky to your touch, then your skin is dry skin. If your skin shows oily patches in some area, usually in T-zone, that is your forehead and nose and sometimes chin, then your face is combination type. This T-zone is oily and his cheeks are dry, then your skin is of combination type. And if there are no oil patches on the tissue paper but your skin feels soft to touch, there are no dryness or flakiness in your skin, then your skin is normal and you are very lucky. So why do we have to know our skin type? Because if we know our skin type, we can buy right kind of products and take care of our skin properly. So, how do we take care of different types of skins? If you have oily skin, then you need to have a face wash which contains salicylic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, tea tree oil, etc. These helps to get rid of excess oil, and all the moisturizers and sunscreen that you use need to be water based or gel based. This is how you take care of oily skin. So if you have dry skin, then you need to use very mild cleanser, because if you use harsh cleanser, it strips off the moisture in your skin which is already less and makes your skin more dry. Cleansing milk or cream based cleanser is ideal for dry skin. Also, moisturizer and sunscreen for dry skin should be cream based. It maintains the oil and moisture balance in dry skin and keeps it fresh. For combination skin, for the T-zone, you use products suitable for oily skin, and for your cheeks which are dry, you use products suitable for dry skin. Even I have a combination skin, oily in T-zone and dry in my cheeks. And if you have normal skin, then you are very lucky. You can use whichever products you like and enjoy. So does the skin type remain same all your life? No. Skin type changes along with the weather change. When there is summer, your skin produces excess oil and skin becomes oily. When there is winter, or rainy season, when there is cold outside, your skin becomes dry. As you grow with age, your skin becomes more and more dry. That's why you get wrinkles. So, if you want to avoid wrinkles and have a nice youthful skin, then do follow daily skincare routine. I have previously made a video of 5-minute daily skincare routine. I am giving the link of it in this I button. You can check that video and take care of your skin. Know your skin type and take care of your skin with daily skincare routine. So, if skin type keeps on changing, then what to do? Then just take a tissue paper test, determine your skin type, and buy the products accordingly and take care of your skin. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section under the video. If you like the content that I am posting, and if you want to watch more on this type of content, then please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon, so every time I post a new video, you will get a notification and you will be able to watch all my videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also share the video with your friends. Thank you.